New module. This is a 4-digit display, 7 segment LED display, TM1637, 7 segment LED display, and this is the IC TM1637, also with components, and there is 4 pins. So from this back view, we have the from left the ground, BCC, DIO, data input output pins, and then the clock. So this is HW069, and then with 4 pins, and then for the LED display it is 3642BS-1, 4 digits with colon in the middle or at the center. So what are we going to do now? We're going to display an integer 1 2 3 4 here in the display, 1 2 3 4 with colon at the center. Okay, and it can be, we need this fabricates again, Arduino Uno microcontroller to display the 4 numbers 1 2 3 4 into the display with colon at the center. So we need this Arduino Uno microcontroller, and to do that we need to upload the code. This TM1637 is to be connected to the Arduino, and this Arduino needs an Arduino code to run for the display, to run this display. So let us upload the code. TM1637 7-segment LED display 1234 12:34. So that is our main objective, to display this 12:34 into the TM1637 module. So this TM67 module 1637 is 7 segment. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Segment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it is 4 digit. So 4, 7 segment. Looks like this. 4 times 7 segment. That is 4 digits. 4 digits. And in the middle, there is colon. So we did this 1, 2, 3, 4. And the connection is Arduino Uno connected to TM1637. Where in the pin 2, or we have the power 9 volts to the barrel jack. After the coding, we can use this external supply. Pin 2 connected to the clock. Then pin 3 of Arduino to the data input output. 5 volts of the Arduino connected to the BCC of this TM. Ground to ground. That is the connection. So in this module, it is a 2-wire serial interface. So it means, aside from power, we have 2 lines here. The clock and then the data lines. Clock lines, data lines. In which the data or the bit is being transferred serial transmission, bit by bit. Okay? You can transmit one at a time, a bit, and it is a half duplex. The time it will transmit by directional, transmit, then receive by the TM, then TM back to the Arduino Uno back to the TM. That is half duplex. One, or bidirectional transmission or communication code mode. And then it seems it looks like looks like I2C, inter-integrated circuit, because we're using a clock and the data lines. But it is not an I2C or I2C. Because what's the difference between this TM and then this I2C in terms of this transferring of the data? I2C relies on hardware. Wherein this TM1637, it relies on software coding. So this Arduino Uno is the process of this coding. We call that bit banging, or transmitting a data or a code or the bit 1 by 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, or 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. These data, streams of data, since we're talking about the binary system or the digital 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 bits, bit banging. And it relies on software coding or the code. And that software coding, instead of transmitting bit by bit or the data 0, 1 or 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, we are using a library. Okay, what is the library? Of course, the library is the TM1637. With the use of library, we are not actually we're not bit banging the bits or the bytes or the data. We're just using the library in order to simplify the coding or the code with the use of the code. So that's the difference between I2C and then the TM1637. It is a two-wire serial interface, two-wire serial bit by bit transmission of data. I2C relies on hardware, but this TM1637 is a software, relies on software or coding, wherein with the use of microcontroller can able to manipulate the what we're going to do with this TM1637. If you're planning to display number 1 here, number 2, then number 3, then number 4, and then with colon. That's why we have that display 1, 2, colon, 3, 4 with the use of the library of this module. We can also parallel, we can use one or more TM1637 or in parallel with different codings, each TM1637. And we can also control the brightness of the segment. This is the segment 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. We can able to display the character A, B, C, D, E, F. That is, why is it up to F? Because that is the hexadecimal number for the, this is an 1, 2, 4, 8, okay, 4 digits. And then 4 bits, this is 4 bits, 4 digits. And then we're using 5 volts to the, from the Arduino to TM1637. So for this project, we're just displaying this 1, 2, colon, 3, 4. So it means our TM is working, and we now know that this TM is not an I2C. It is a two-wire interface, proprietary, or it has its own IC use. So this IC, it has its own IC use, and we can use the clock as a clock and the data lines. We can use the pins of the Arduino as clock or data lines, depends on the coding. So instead of bit banging or sending the code, manipulating the code, the data, we're just using the library. Okay? And then this TM is software based on, relies on software coding, whereas the I2C is hardware control. So that's the difference between the two. The I2C is not, this is not an I2C. And that is our display, TM1637.